So here I am, I'm taking the Monk Messer 29-inch for a spin. The Messer is smooth shifting, smooth, soaking up bumps and imperfections in the road. It's got a great suspension on the front. You don't feel anything when you hit some bumps. You just kind of float over everything. It's quite possibly because this bike is 29 inches, so it seems to handle the bumps a lot better than a smaller frame bike. Here I am in high gear. And it's really no effort here at all to maintain this speed. Corner's great. And it hits these topies. There's no need to slow down. It just floats right over them. Overall, I recommend the Monk Messer. Quality made, it's all aluminum frame, it's light, and it's fast and it's maneuverable. For more great videos, click underneath in the description or click a card